Andrea from Roman Massage and Fitness, and today we are going to show you the moves for day 4 from our upcoming Turn Up the Volume Challenge. This is Roman, he is the creator, and he is going to show us each of the moves today. We're going to start off with a plank.
All right, good old planking. Now remember, if you're a beginner, you're right here. Nice and easy beginner move. Some people plank like this. I find that a little more difficult on my wrists. As you get a little more intermediate, try to get your rear up. Then you get your rear flattened out. Then you should be feeling good. Then you do 10 seconds here, 10 seconds with this leg up, and then 5 seconds, and then switch and 5 seconds. And if you're really advanced, you can sit here and do plyometrics while you do your plank. If you're really advanced, go for it.
All right, our second move of the day is wall squatting.
Wall squats. All right, now look, if you can't wall squat, that's what a good old-fashioned chair is for. Sit down, turn off the quads, and lift yourself up with your rear. Sit down all the way and stand up. Don't do a tap. Sit down, use your hips to get up. Now, a regular wall squat, I'll come over here by you, Mrs. Andrea.
All right.
A wall squat, my feet are up against the wall. I take a nice step out, widen them for my shoulders, right? So I've got them widened out a little bit, shoulder width. Now I can just go right down the wall. And what you're looking for is a 90-degree angle here. It's a 90-degree angle, and you'll see that in the book that I say 45 and 90. A 45-degree angle is right here. I'm still holding myself up against the wall, and then 90 you drop down, and then I have you come up to 45, and then 10 seconds later back down to 90, and then you've got 6 seconds left, you're up to 45. You're done. That's a good wall squat right there.
All right, our third move for day 4 is known as the Heisman.
Heisman. Okay, I'll stay right here. This one confuses people. Put your elbows in your hips and your hands out. Not in here. Your hands out a little bit. Go to the left, bring up the right knee. Go to the right, bring up the left knee. Don't go across your body. This isn't a standing crunch. This is a slide, slide, slide. Play the song. Slide, slide, slippity slide. So up, 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 up. You're working balance and you're doing a lateral move, side to side. With weightlifting, we don't do that. So good Heisman move.
All right, and our last move for day 4 is walking lunges.
Ooh, getting tough.
Oh, he's getting his workout in
They're
today.
getting tough. Where are the girls at? They were supposed to do these. Okay, walking lunges. Look, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be tough. This is going to be a big ask. You do the box squat if you're not there. Wall squat if you're not there. Walking lunges look like this. Again, the 90 degree. See here? That's too big. You just take a nice step and then watch my back leg. It goes down to the floor and I'm at a 90-degree angle. And when I lift myself up, it's through the rear. I take another step. This knee down, this knee is at a 90-degree angle. So if you look like this, that's not right. It needs to be 90 degrees. Your knee goes down and then you're lifting yourself up. If that's too difficult, you can just step back and come up for now. Step back and come up. Or if you don't have room for walking lunges, you could go forward and come back, forward and come back. The idea is you're doing a strong leg move. So if you can do walking lunges and you've got that house and you can do it, you're doing it, right? If you don't, you're here. You've only got a limited space. You're going forward, you're going back, right? So any kind of those there. We're getting tough for people. Good luck.
You will be in shape by the time this challenge is done. So let's spring into summer, be strong and swimsuit ready with our Turn Up the Volume Challenge. See you next time.
All right, good luck.